Today, join me in exploring the keys to making extra money, extracted from Robert Kiyosaki's book Cash Flow Quadrant. Get ready for a journey that will transform your financial perspective. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any financial gems. Let's get started. Key 1. Know Kiyosaki's quadrants. Welcome to the first chapter of our financial journey. Kiyosaki presents 4 quadrants that define our income sources: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. Which quadrant are you in? Analyze and discover how to move from being an employee to becoming an investor. The cash flow quadrant reveals that true wealth is on the right side: business owners and investors. The key is to migrate from employees and self-employed to these quadrants, where money works for you. Are you daring enough to make the leap to the right side of the quadrant? Tell us in the comments. Imagine having passive income flowing while you sleep. That's what business owners and investors achieve. A real example of financial freedom. Start small, but start. Create a passive income source, even if it's modest at first. It's the first step toward financial independence. Key 2. Financial education as a foundation. Now, let's talk about the essential key: financial education. Kiyosaki insists that lack of knowledge is the root cause of financial problems. How much time do you dedicate to improving your financial intelligence? Financial education is the foundation of prosperity. Understanding how money works empowers you to make informed decisions. Invest time in learning and growing, and you'll see wealth follow. How many finance books have you read this year? Share your recommendations in the comments. Imagine being able to read and understand financial reports effortlessly. Financial education equips you to interpret and use information to your advantage. Invest at least 30 minutes a day in your financial education. Books, podcasts, courses, information is your key to abundance. Key 3. Find your passion and monetize it. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of turning your passion into profits. Kiyosaki emphasizes that the rich love what they do. How can you find your passion and make it work for you? Passion not only enriches your life, but also your wallet. Identifying what you love allows you to find income opportunities aligned with your interests. Monetizing your passion is the path to sustainable prosperity. What activity do you enjoy so much that you wouldn't mind doing it every day? Share your passions in the comments. Imagine turning your hobby into a profitable business. Many successful entrepreneurs started that way. Passion is the fuel that drives financial success. Discover what you're passionate about and find ways to monetize it. Making money doing what you love is not only possible but also rewarding. Key 4. Invest wisely. Kiyosaki teaches us that the rich invest to earn, while others do it to save. Are you ready to step toward smarter investment? Investing is not just about saving, it's about making your money work for you. Choose informed investments that generate passive income. The key is diversification to mitigate risks and maximize long-term gains. Do you have a diversified investment portfolio? Share your strategies in the comments. Imagine receiving constant income from stocks, real estate, and businesses. Diversification protects you from fluctuations and creates financial stability. Start with small investments and expand gradually. Patience and diversification are the keys to success in the investment world. Key 5. Smart saving strategies. We enter the 5th chapter, where we'll talk about the importance of saving intelligently. Kiyosaki emphasizes that saving is not just about hoarding money but doing it strategically. How can you maximize your savings and make them work for you? Saving is not just about accumulating but growing your money. Discover saving strategies that allow you to generate interest or invest in future opportunities. The key is to turn the habit of saving into a tool for your financial prosperity. What saving strategies do you currently use? Share your experiences in the comments. Imagine saving with a specific purpose, such as your children's education or retirement. Strategic saving allows you to plan and achieve long-term financial goals. Set clear saving goals and look for accounts or investments that offer returns. Smart saving is the foundation of financial security. Key 6. Financial networking. Announcer, now, let's explore the importance of financial networking. Kiyosaki emphasizes that your network is your most valuable asset. How can you build relationships that drive your financial success? Financial networking is key to accessing opportunities and knowledge. Connecting with successful people provides valuable insights and opens doors. The key is to build strong relationships based on trust and reciprocity. Have you experienced the power of financial networking? Share your stories in the comments. Imagine having direct advice from successful investors. Networking connects you with mentors and allies who can accelerate your path to financial success. Attend events, join financial communities, and cultivate genuine relationships. Networking not only opens doors, but also enriches your financial knowledge. Key 7. Learn to manage risk. Moving into the 7th key, we'll talk about risk management. Kiyosaki teaches us that the rich don't avoid risk, they manage it. How can you make bold yet calculated financial decisions? Risk management is essential for financial success. Learning to assess and mitigate risks allows you to make more informed decisions. The key is to find a balance between boldness and caution, maximizing opportunities while minimizing potential losses. How do you manage risk in your financial decisions? Share your strategies in the comments. Imagine investing in a new project after a thorough risk analysis. Managing risk allows you to make brave yet well-founded decisions. Study carefully before making significant financial decisions. Risk management is the key to maintaining stability on your path to prosperity. Key 8. Adapt to market changes. In our 8th stop, we'll explore the ability to adapt to market changes. Kiyosaki emphasizes that adaptability is crucial in the ever-evolving financial world. How can you stay agile and thrive in any economic environment? Markets change, and adaptability is the key to survival and prosperity. Learn to identify trends, adjust strategies, and seize new opportunities. The ability to adapt positions you for long-term success. How have you adapted to recent economic changes? Share your experiences in the comments. Imagine adjusting your investment portfolio based on market trends. Adaptability allows you to capitalize on new opportunities while minimizing risks. Stay informed, be flexible, and adjust your approach based on market conditions. Adaptability is the key to financial resilience. Key 9. Build multiple income sources. We've reached the last key, where we'll explore the importance of building multiple income sources. Kiyosaki teaches us that relying on a single source is risky. How can you diversify your income sources to ensure financial stability? Relying on a single income source is a financial risk. Building multiple streams provides security and financial freedom. The key is diversification, whether through investments, ventures, or passive income. How many income sources do you currently have? Share your experiences in the comments. Imagine having income from investments, businesses, and side projects. Diversification creates a financial cushion that protects you in times of uncertainty. Explore new opportunities and work to build additional income sources. Diversification is the key strategy for long-term financial security. And there you have it, friends. Remember, each key is a piece of the financial puzzle. Tell me in the comments which key resonates with you the most. Don't forget to like and share this knowledge.